Hi, I just want to make a quick video on what can happen when the pumps are not winterized properly. Um, in the first photo, I just took off the lid of the tank and I looked down in, and this is what I saw. The water was frozen uh, all the way down to the bottom of the tank. And the next picture here, you can see that where the valve it goes, the water goes right up over the valve, and that's all frozen, and that would indicate it's all through the line that's frozen and whatnot.
Okay, what we have here, this is the valve system. Up on top it's steel, but underneath we have plastic fittings, and these are hoses that go to various parts of the spray rig. And typically there's 3 valves here. This one right here I had to take apart because it froze and broke the small coupling. That's this one right here. You can see it's in 2 pieces now. It's just supposed to be 1 piece. So temporarily I have fitted the valve with this metal piece right here, so I can get the pump going and then just kind of force water through the system and try to get all the water out so that it doesn't freeze later on. I had a small ceramic heater that I covered this whole unit with this tarp right here and warmed everything up, so everything's thawed out now, and then I can run the pump and get it to push all the water through. And right here, this right here is the hose reel, and there's water also in this line right here on the end, and this is just water that's in here. It's not there's not any chemicals or anything. I'm not too worried about the pump though, because he did run it and he got enough air through the system, but it didn't go all the way through because of this break. So as it was pumping through, it looks for the area of least resistance, and so this was pretty much, it was like opened up because it was cracked and busted, and so all the pressure that it would have been putting air, pushing it through here, it all went through this break right here, and so that's why it didn't evacuate the hose and get all that water out. Alright, I went ahead and grabbed a bucket. I just was curious to see how much water is in this system, how much is left in here. I'll dump this out and we'll get it measured. Here, see how much water we got that was left in here. So there's nothing, it's not sucking any water or anything, so it's just pushing the water that was in the system that was left in there. And what can happen on this hose, the water will freeze, and this is a 2-layer hose. There's an interior part to this hose, and then you have the outside coating that protects it. So as it freezes, it'll separate inside there, and then you'll get bubbles next year when you try to run it. You can see it's a pretty good stream of water right here. It's coming out of this, and it's probably going to be filled up here pretty quick. All right, I've had these 2-gallon containers here, and I poured some of this off. That was the water out of this unit. You can see there's 2 gallons here, and there's still like another gallon in the bottom of this. So I was pretty accurate on figuring about 3 gallons in this system.
If we all work together, anything is possible.